cat. What you think about them guys who did that they will go rob the money truck from a nigger thing?
You know, sir, my security budget, you know, I don't know for yesterday. My security budget give me a download yesterday, man. That's a big money. You know the place. And some outside connection. I send them money to come in.
Well, one. Anything can happen, you know, when you say man that place here, when we see it happen, when we see one, them police, them have to commend them. On that job here with them. Yeah, me have to really commend the police them for done such a proper work. Yeah. Cause to my view and feelings about this thing we did have one from the other day, I know the first the truck them get attacked. Them get attacked around 3 to 4 times now. Well, me know, me believe say, at the same set of people them a go round and a do the thing.
Yeah. Nonsense. You see this thing at Brooksie, I know I got to say something. You see today, when me and you now analyze, you see the corruption, I hit them up again.
Exactly.
The corruption there,
yeah,
and it cannot get rid. So you see the man them have that plan there and the idea there. I know wish no man to go around rob no man.
No.
But me still look upon them and say them ambitious.
Yeah.
Cause them left the liquor man will sell him chicken back.
Yeah.
And him make a half kilo ice.
Yeah.
And now go rob him.
Yeah, and go at the bigger fish.
So the bigger is have to solve the problem there. You get what me I say, my brother?
This is
Watch
not a normal thing, you know.
Watch where them are going with
that. This is not a normal thing, you know.
Corruption.
Yeah, you know.
Man,
because, alright.
Yeah.
When this thing boil down more, you know, and we hear say them kill 4 and some, you know, custody. Alright. Run them people there, check out them background, which part you used to work, what job you used to keep. Most of them people, you know, brother, were involved in a them kind of situation, yeah, you know. And not just no normal people there. And no normal shooter, them man there. Them man there, some man were well trained, brother. So it's either them man there did ex-soldier, ex-police, ex-this, ex-that, or ex-what.
We not get no bomber clad benefit to ya, man. Some more time as we say, we don't really have indulge in a certain things. But sometimes people have to take up things for them. So that's why I'm not telling you, say you see that something, them have to solve it.
Yes, you have to take up things in and sometimes, you know, yeah. Sometimes they must take up too much stuff. Yes. Sometimes they must take up
them have too much fun with too.
Yeah, because what really happen, you know.
Yeah, man.
When me listen to the news the other night and hear say the police then corral them man they down and out there, you know, and put gunshot on people body, you know. Me see all car float down the river, you know.
Them police then in corruption.
No!
Them police
then a bank with what them man you deal with. So me hear some bigger heads come on the TV and I commend the police them and I recommend them and I say, well, yeah, this is a good job them done and them respect the work we done and congratulations to the police force. Yeah, I'm gonna surrender. You see what I say?
After you take certain job in our country.
Yeah.
And you say every man life valuable. No man no plan to die from the back of the
No, that is what the big man in the police force say. Him say them not really glad to kill none of them, you know.
No,
so when they see the police have come to all them, if a man can surrender.
For yourself or surrender.
Exactly. Do something to save yourself.
Yeah, man.
Well, that the big man say they not glad to kill none of them.
And the police.
Yeah.
You have to brave.
Right.
You have to brave.
Because they kill no police too, you know. They link down a lot of police on duty too, you know.
Really have to brave.
Exactly.
Open and game.
And you don't know what me I notice now too. You see these younger police we are taking on the road now, a different police from the police them in the 90s.
Yeah, cause back now, you know. youth them just like as would I say, so many man are pre-demons in the police are preaching.
Yeah.
So you understand me?
So the same road where you are taking on,
take the police
and take it to.
Get to you
So,
police.
alright, sir. So then we'll be tricking at the book, you know.
Every tricking at the book.
Man, them done to every tricking at the book, you know. So when the man them come a road, brother, the man them come with them professional, the man them a road properly. That's what me I say. So, brother, when me I say, the youth them out there, we choose to go that road here and feel like say are the best road to, you know.
It's up to
kind
them.
of tell them say, yeah, I'm on them and them road.
When we didn't tell them long time, them never stick to it. So since the place of the lane are the best lane, you judge man. And your results have a pay you after that
Exactly.
lane, you know.
Because there is more than one lane, you know, brother. So which one you choose?
I look for one lane with some student in
And some slow people in and some elders. Yeah.
We can go sit down and show people positively.
Yeah,
Like,
and some people can read
Read,
and them I get positively out of me and me I get it out of them. Instead of we a teach a youth say, boy, money chop come later.
share, you know.
Pick up top of the ATM machine, we are going to take the money. Yeah?
That's a chance, brother.
Man, we dead man. Yeah, man, but we dead
life
good. Look how much ways
everybody want to pay, everybody want to pay money. Everybody want to live comfortable.
Same way.
But at the end of the day, you can work towards
And make your life be a better
But if on the
person.
road you choose,
to
brother,
go.
I don't think we can change.
We can't change you.
We can talk. Tell us the road is not the right
Not the
road.
right one.
You understand
But me
me?
can't change your idea, you know. Because if you tell yourself it's a gun you want, you know. Me can't tell yourself you get a car, you
No
know.
man can't change the man, you know. Maybe we can't give the
You
idea. You
can't
have to
only
change
suggest a thing to you. You have to change yourself. And you have to make the difference within yourself, brother. Alright
No,
then.
sir. Everybody
Alright.
give me one idea.
Yeah.
And me work with it.
And me see say, it a move, man. Yeah.
Me
You can't change you.
No, me
You have to change yourself. Because look, we have 5 brethren, you know. And out of the 5 of them, you know, 4 dead, you know.
Yeah.
So the one we still stand alone. When believe said
When
it.
him tell himself.
And change, you have to go change
so.
so. Or if him tell himself, say, "Ma dead like him 4 friend." Like him 4 friend.
Nah, give up.
Nah, give up.
Yeah, man.
Well, to me, no.
Yeah, man.
We could have used this as an example and make a change.
Change this, yeah.
Change this can make, brother. You can dash with your gun, man. You cannot plan to rob nobody again. You cannot plan to shoot nobody, man. Just
Yes,
I just
brother.
you fit do what you want to do and just hold your own and try to say, alright, me I seek a better way out for myself as a man. Remember you become 18 now, you depend your own, your family no response to you no more, so you have to go fight for yourself. You can sell something too.
Remember, it's just a finger and a trigger, you know.
Exactly.
But hard day work, a whole heap of sweat and energy take you, know.
Exactly, brother. Words per side.
Alright.
Where we used to.
Tell you what them all the while, somebody do, man. There is no lane, you know, you have a fast lane.
And you have a slow
You
lane.
have a slow lane. But if you choose the fast lane, it's rich, quick and easy.
Whichever you want.
So you choose that, it's up to you. Any lane we take, we all are going dead, you know.
Same way.
So we don't must reach by any lane.
The most rich.
You understand me? But we can't live without rich.
Me can't live without rich. Me don't have to rich.
Alright.
Me only
We
one
can't
can
live without rich.
Me only one can afford whatever me need. Yeah. Me only one can afford whatever me need in life. Me can afford it and me good to go. But different people, me not have to rich. Me not have to rich, brother.
We
So
can't live without rich.
this rich fast and dead fast thing, if a man want
No, me no plan life, so.
No, brother. No, brother.
Yes.
Me no want live big today and dead
Life
tomorrow.
too sweet to that.
Yeah, you see what me I say? So in other words, when me I say, the youth them, they take so something as example. Look for them poor youth, they were dead when I don't Friday gone down that movie you dead.
Them
And they
here
dead.
not damn, them here not.
You see what me I say? So I saw me go and join them and they round there.
Remember, thousands of youth dead, so you know.
Me want to ask the question if more man dead more than we alive.
You think so?
Me believe say more dead.
And the man them way, I put themselves on the line nothing.
And they still now watch that.
Them not.
Alright. 300 youth born for the day of Jamaica.
No.
300 man not dead for the day to
Our man dead man were
Exactly.
Yeah,
So I hit me and go back now and I say more dead man gone round the more than with they round here.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man out there will still want to go around it.
A fight to go round the tree, you know.
Make up the amount.
Me consider say if a man call him from round here and tell him say hurry up and come.
Yeah, man, round here nice.
Cause good things are going round here.
Yeah, man, we are going to go sell drugs and bus fun and drink.
Me never hear from a dead man more than me go to bed and me dreaming.
Maybe them youth here get called, you know, Brooksie, when me and you don't know you.
But it looks so. Cause you want go round this so all I know that just a work to go round this so. Me no want go round there, you know.
No, sir. Me no depend.
Me no want, not even heaven, me no want go, you know.
No, sir. Me good when me there, man.
Get me no alright?
Yeah, man. So if you saw no head, me no want no head again. Yeah, we good, yeah, so.
Cause him say you have to dead the guy, you know.
I lie.
They know you have to reach there.
Then Brooksie. Check if no man.
No life man ever go there.
If no must be a place like where we is known.
Enough man no know that. Them feel say you have
No,
to
I
dead
don't know.
first.
Ever with them know.
If you tell some man that they laugh off of you.
Idiot them man, them take the back way teaching.
Exactly, because there is nowhere else can nice like when we can know we know.
This no. Who tell you say somewhere nice?
Yeah.
Then me not have to work with them.
Me know. Me no want go round there, brother. Me no want go round there. So all them you the way a fight fit dead. You can't go on. Yeah, me no want go round there.
Them a pearly gate, man.
Me no want meet nobody round and no pearly gate, brother. Me no want meet nobody there. Me no want meet no man and no pearly gate. Because right now the pearly gate is one place where no man when you go there you shall return, you know. No man shall return, brother. So me no too want go on no pearly
So a man
gate.
can't meet me here.
Or a my gate.
Or mine.
Yeah, what happened with pearly gate, so? Me no want go there, brother. Me no want go there. So me tell people say me never want go heaven, you know.
That is a lie.
Yeah. If there is a heaven, if there is any heaven, me believe see upon the face of the earth, yeah, we there now. And where we can full joy ourselves,
Brother, look.
and eat and drink and be merry and share love with one another.
Right now, me and you can't go mix milk and honey.
Milk and honey not there.
Me and you can't go mix milk and honey.
Yeah, just buy a bottle of honey and some
Yeah,
milk.
man, every day.
Every day, brother.
That put you up away.
Yeah,
So away now, nothing do nothing for living.
exactly.
You
And get to
understand?
enjoy the things that is here for we.
To you, man,
Because everything is here for we, you know. Everything from the face of earth that mankind use, you know, inherit from, you know. So I just weave in and say, yeah, man. We alright with them, man. So no fight people know where heads. We are fight people around there so far. Look how much people we know we go around there and none of them no come back and visit
Tell
me.
me something now, man.
Yes, around there so. Alright, so we no hurry up and
Your
come.
best loved one gone.
Gone.
When tell you about round when gone?
Yo, me phone a ring.
You never tell us if you come round there. No
Never.
time, man. No
Never.
time, they never tell you if you come round there. That's what me I say.
man.
So people are them thing they me like talk about. If heaven, they on earth, and if a man we dead gone already, ever come back, come tell none of we say, hurry up and come. Me no see nice for me. You know fruitful for me. To try to get myself killed. Me no want dead. Me no ready for dead.
That's why them say every man have to face them one judgment.
Yes.
So hear me now. That can't be even when you're dead.
No.
Your judgment hear that.
Yeah.
So hear them talk about judgment this and judgment that. Every man have to face death.
Cause death is not the worst judgment for a man, you know.
No more judgment than the Brooksie.
Death is not the worst judgment.
I want the judgment that man where every man have to face.
Oh,
again.
yeah, in another way there. Yeah, in another way
Every
there.
man have to face, no man shall escape.
No, sorry.
So there,
No.
just check out it, you know.
Yeah.
There is many things happen to man when
Yeah.
happen to me and you.
Yeah, right,
So that
right.
could have never be judgment.
Judgment. No, no,
Them
no,
say
no.
there is no man shall escape.
Yeah, right.
So
So
at death.
any judgment I have to be
Death.
death. Yeah, where every man sure
Them said they
Yeah.
can burn a mouse and the whole of man never get burned because they know nobody figure them burn. Them
No,
are no woman.
no,
You understand
no,
me?
no. So he never get burned.
So that's not true, but
No.
death is a must.
Yeah,
Up in
that is
a
a must. That is a must.
Death is
That
a must.
Yeah,
Every man, brother.
That is a
Judgment
must.
that.
Yeah.
That are the only judgment a man
That
have
a
to
no lie.
face.
True that.
Whether man want believe yes or no.
No,
Remember
yeah,
me tell you, brother.
yeah. That a true.
Yeah, man.
That a true, yeah. That a
I
no lie.
want up to my people, them, man.
Yeah,
Big up on
man. So,
yourself, man. I know
as
you.
we say, Bawdacat and Brooksie, you know, man. We just
Ah,
a whole a
yeah,
little
yeah,
conversation and a whole a little vibes.
Yeah, man.
So, big up on yourself. Remember to like, share and subscribe, you know.
Put it out there.
Alright?
Just
One
touch
love,
it, but-
one like, same way. Big up on yourself. Yeah, man. So, that